Look at this bird. I don't know if it's an egret or an ibis, some type of swamp tropical bird. And it's a cold day and an unexpected climate. It's normally hot, but today it's like 50 degrees. This looks like an old geezer. Look at him. He's like hunched in his fur. He's been sitting here all day, freezing and shaking. And looks upset and angry. His neck is really long. It's like stuck in there. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll extend and you can see it, but this makes me laugh looking at this guy. I feel sorry for him. There's his neck coming out. He's like, nope, I'm staying tucked in. I'm staying tucked in today. You think if you jump off the car, you may be a little get out of the wind a little bit, buddy. All right, guys. See ya. Bye, Ibis.